How to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we just need to head over to our TikTok app right here. And from in there, what we need to do is just click on this profile icon on the bottom right here. So click on that. And as you can see, I have no followers. So what we can do is to click on these three lines up here. Then click on the settings and privacy on the bottom. And once you've done that, just scroll all the way down until you can reach the support or about. And about or below those, you can see this report a problem. So click on this report a problem right here. And then in here you can see a lot of topics that you can choose from. So what you need to do is just scroll down and click on this live right here. So click on live. And from in there, what we need to do is to click on how to start a live. So click on how to start a live right here, and this will provide us an article. But what we need to do is to click on no right here. So click on no, and then scroll down again until you can see this need more help. So click on need more help right here, and then just type in anything appropriate that will help TikTok make you live. So I recommend just putting something like this. I said something like, "Hi everyone, I run an online store and sell my product by going live. I have been doing this in other social media platforms, but I am unable to do it on TikTok. Can you please help me do live stream without 100,000 followers?" And you can attach in here some photos of you doing live on other platforms in order to convince them. And after that, just click on submit. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.